All right, picked up another discounted Target blaster. This is Donruss Football, 11 packs, 8 cards per pack. From 2016, I should add. That's a no-brainer for me. I'll just grab it. Doesn't matter. For $20, you get a decent amount of cards. Get about 88 cards plus a thing there, a jersey card. It's not bad for 20, and you get these for like $14.99 or whatever, discounted. And the cards themselves look pretty nice. Here's Jim Kelly. That's a decent looking little card right there. I like the photos that they use. I like the borders. I like the color arrangement. And the ones I'm showing you here are just all the retired players that I pulled out of this box, because these are the ones that I like the most. And finishing off with the Scrambler. What else did I get here? In terms of regular base cards, I got one Patriot. Who's barely a Patriot. It's actually a Cardinals card, but whatever. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rated rookie cards. One's a press proof. Alright, that's that. I got another regular press proof base card. Got Fans of the Game. I'm sorry about that. On my end, I'm not. It's a little blurry. All right, there it is. Got Run DMC. Daryl McDaniels. It's pretty neat. Don't know if he signs TTM or not. Legends of the Fall, Drew Brees. And 2 different insert sets that center around Peyton Manning. His top targets. And I don't know if this one's called the Sheriff. Or what the hell is going on here. Just listing his accomplishments. It's a nice little set. Like I said, I like the way they look, but I don't know about the 2 Peyton Manning insert sets. I mean, as a completionist, I would want to finish the set itself, and getting 2 insert sets that center around like dipshit like Peyton Manning, I don't think that really interests me that much. The jersey card is Minnesota Viking, Moritz Boehringer. And a Norseman playing for the Vikings. So there you have it. It's